Hey, it's me, Nate, and this is my friend, Natasha.
Hi. So what are we gonna make today?
Graham cracker brownies, Grandma's recipe.
Graham cracker brownies. Sounds yummy.
Yeah, it's a family recipe. We're gonna use 1 bag of chocolate chips, 1.5 box of graham crackers, a can of sweetened condensed milk. Mix it all together, put it in a pan that has coconut oil in it. Bake it at 325 for 10 minutes, and it will be done. The description will be written below.
That's it?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Yeah, that's it. And it's Aubrey.
Aubrey?
Yeah, Aubrey from work. Come in. Hannah.
Hi, I'm back. And it's Haven now. They, them pronouns, remember, and my last name.
That's right.
You want to know where Aubrey is? Well, she couldn't come. I had a family emergency, and she covered for me at work, so I'm covering for her. You dig?
Yeah, everything okay?
It will be. Everything eventually is.
Deep.
That's me. Hey, I'm Haven.
Yeah, this is Haven from work. She works with me and Aubrey, so yeah.
Yeah! So, what are we making today?
Graham cracker brownies, family recipe.
Yeah, graham cracker brownies. Family recipe.
Sounds yummy. How do we begin?
Come on over here. So the first thing we need to do is beat these crackers into pieces.
Okay. I could go for a good beating.
Go.
Family emergency, remember? I could use a method for blowing off some steam.
Yeah, okay. Why don't you put them in the ziploc bag?
Okay.
Seal it tightly.
Allow me.
Whoa, Natasha, not so hard. We don't want dust, we need crumbs.
Girl knows how to hit.
Wanna bet?
Girl, calm down. I'm not your enemy.
Yeah, we're just making brownies.
Just brownies. Just brownies.
Really, Nate? Just brownies? Fuck me.
You like her, Nate? You like her?
What?
He doesn't like me, Natasha. Not me, but Aubrey, the other barista.
No, Aubrey and I are just baristas.
Oh, quit that. I am Haven. I know all. I see all. You like her. Just admit it.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, good. She does too. But look, there are some complications. Aubrey and I are kind of seeing each other. Don't be a sad sap, Nate. Not all is lost. We're not exclusive.
What?
Open up, Nate. So, shall we continue the brownies? And in the pan next?
What about me?
Come on, Natasha, join us.
All three of us?
Only 3. Open up.
Yeah, why not?
You both are so sick.
What's her problem?
You don't get it, do you?
What do you mean?
Are you gonna go after her, or am I?
What?
To explain?
Explain?
Why do I gotta do everything?
I just can't catch a break, can I?